After receiving my blast of pepper spray, I'm going to pivot, draw, and drop this bad bitch. And then I'm probably just going to set the gun down as opposed to trying to reholster and shooting myself in the leg.
Good plan. Good plan.
Is everything set up? We ready? Fuck it.
Good.
What's the worst? You dumb broad! Fuck you!
I'm doing this.
Spray me in the face, you dumb cunt!
Oh God.
I kind of got you.
Son of a fuck monkey! Give me the fucking water!
Get in front of the camera.
I only kind of got one eye.
No, you got my fucking...
No, I mean the foam literally only kind of got on one eye. I'm glad this is so effective.
Ow! Fuck!
So!
What did you expect?
So, at this point, I've stopped filming.
Yeah,
I hope
It's all
that's
good.
all right.
You're fine.
I'm just taking pictures at this point.
Alright, soap now!
She's coming.
Emmy!